Hi Kelly, how are you doing today?
Hey, doing well.
I hear we have a new GPS feature in XPressEntry. Can you give me a quick walkthrough, please?
Sure. What we've done in XPressEntry entry exit mode is we've enabled GPS locations. What that will allow you to do in entry exit mode is set a door based on exactly where the handheld is located. So this will be very helpful for a scenario where a guard walks around the facility and they might be at one gate. And if they move to another gate, the door will switch automatically.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. Because right now I've got to go over to XPressEntry. I've got to set the door manually. And if I want to use West Coast indoor, I would have to manually select it.
Yes, correct. So this will help alleviate confusion for guards and what doors they are at and other things like that make up for a more hands-off approach for guards in managing doors itself.
Awesome. Can you show me how you would set this up in XPressEntry so that it'll work?
Of course. So pretty straightforward. Now there's a few settings that we would like to enable. So we will go to Tools, Settings. The first thing we're going to check is under General. We're going to add Edit Display. And we're going to enable the GPS options for our server. So press Save here. The next option is we're going to Handheld functionality. We're going to enable location tracking. So this tells the handheld that we're going to use GPS.
Hey, cool. Right on the handheld, we now have a little GPS icon.
Yeah, of course, very quick. The next thing and the last setting under Doors, we're going to enable the settings based on handheld GPS locations. So this is what's actually going to enable us to set the coordinates to a door, and when the coordinates, that's where it will automatically change. So as you can see, we actually got a notification already. We have a door already preset to the Telarus office. So because you're already in the Telarus office, once I enable that setting, it will notify you here on the screen that the door has changed. As you saw earlier, the door was set to West Coast in, and now the door is set to Telarus office.
How does it know that it's Telarus office?
We're going to go back to Edit. And so on our main application, we're going to Doors. And so we have these two areas already preset. So the doors that we're looking currently at is Telarus office. As we see here under the GPS coordinates, we use a very simple method. Just going to Google Maps, we get the location of the Telarus office, and we put in those coordinates here. And then under GPS radius, this is how we're going to know how far from your coordinate that we are going to track. So in this case, we are tracking around 35 meters from the test location itself.
Presumably you've got a different GPS location for your other door?
Correct. Under the Telarus Northeast entry, as you can see, the GPS coordinate is a different location, and we'll call the radius at 10. So it's a little smaller of a radius, but it is at a different location.
Okay, so why don't we see how this works? I'm going to go for a walk with my handheld, and then I can scan badges while I'm out and about. We can see what we can see. I'm walking out and about. Can you see my location moving?
Yes.
And if I present a badge, while it shows not near a door, you should be able to set it up so those badge scans are not accepted.
Yeah, that's correct. There's a way to modify it on the device, so that way if we're within the perimeter of the GPS location coordinates, we can disable the badge scanning if required.
Now, I should be getting pretty close to the location of the next door. I don't know if you can see me on the map.
Yeah, so your location is moving as you are currently on Lark Street moving north.
Okay, we should be seeing the updated door pretty soon at this point. It's still showing the GPS not near door text, but my guess is any moment it'll change my door. Ah, there you go.
And there's a notification. And just for the viewers who are looking at the map, we're giving Google location tracking. So the icon where David is showing has been fully updated, maybe not yet. The update on the Google Maps might be a little slow, sorry about that. But as we saw on the handheld device under the door, he did get a notification that says that he was in a new GPS location under the Northeast entry. And so as he scans people now, he can grant access and it becomes an activity and shows up in the activity history. If you want to refresh this, you'll see the new location of the GPS coordinates. The reader GPS has been updated to this new location.
As I walk away from the last door, we now see the GPS not near door text showing again. I'm going to walk back toward the front door of the Telarus office. Right now, I'm about 100 feet away from the office. My guess is any second I'll be popping back to the Telarus office door. There we go, look at that. Well, that's pretty cool. Thank you very much for showing me how this works. It's pretty slick how seamless that all went.
We believe a lot of our customers will definitely benefit from this new feature.
Well, thanks again, Kelly. Talk to you soon.
All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.